So -5, -6. Why does it always do that? Oh. That's my start. Okay, now stay with me on this one, even if you think you understand it, because I'm going to go through it a certain way because I'm trying to point something out to you, okay? So even if you think you're getting it, stay with me on this one, okay? So notice how what we did on the others is we would always take our A, which was our horizontal distance, right? Does that make sense? Now to get that, I would do X finish minus X start. Is that fair? So if I have A squared plus B squared equals C squared, another way I can write that for this one is X finish minus X start squared. So you can ignore the instructions on these. I'm just trying to show you. So that's how I got this A squared, is by doing X finish minus X start. And then my B is my Y finish minus Y start. So for this one, that's -1 minus -6. In terms of this situation, what's the C represent? In terms of this situation, what does the C represent? In terms of my situation, what does the C represent?
It's the distance.
Good job. It's the distance between the 2 points. So I want you to look at these numbers and understand them, but I also want you to look at this setup because, again, I'm trying to slowly build what's known as the distance formula with you guys. Because if I just gave you the distance formula, a lot of times it looks pretty scary. But if we build it, then it's usually not as scary. Okay? Are we doing okay? Okay, so let's finish this problem out. So I got 2 minus -5, so that's 7 squared. Plus, anybody get this one already? No, 5. This one should be 5, I think.
Oh, wait.
Because the negatives, yeah, negatives are the worst. Actually, fractions are the worst. Am I right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'm pretty good at fractions, but I was trying to do 2/3 of a recipe yesterday. My brain was melted. It's like 2/3 of 1/4, and I kept getting a third, and I was like, 2/3 of a quarter cup can't be bigger than a quarter cup. So I knew something was wrong, but I couldn't quite figure it out, you know? So I just estimated. Handful. Yeah. Like my 2-year-old's not going to remember if this is gross. I won't tell anybody. Now what?
74.
Okay, then what do I do with the 74? Square root and make a tree because it's not a perfect square. What goes into 74? Anything? 2 and what? Oh my goodness, this is weird. They're both prime now and there's no pairs. Anybody remember what that means? Yeah, it's already done. But before you turn to the next page, okay, I want to point out, again, We can do this all in one step. If we realize our A is our horizontal distance, X finish minus X start, right? And then our B is our vertical distance, Y finish minus Y start, and that's gonna equal our distance squared. We doing okay? Any questions? Okay, I think,
Squared is a C squared, right?
Now, let's go to the next page. And I'm cool if